Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Market, the educational channel about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Today, we are going to look at what Fantom is, its main features, and all the technology that this project has. And at the end of the video, we are going to look at how far the price can rise. Fantom is a next-generation, decentralized, open-source, EVM-compatible blockchain platform that seeks through its powerful architecture to provide a viable solution to the blockchain trilemma by providing a constant balance of scalability, security, and decentralization. Like other Ethereum alternatives, Fantom provides more scalability and lower transaction fees. The Fantom blockchain mainnet was launched in December 2019. Fantom uses Lachesis, a revolutionary BFT consensus protocol. The Lachesis protocol is designed to make Fantom faster and more efficient through a combination of factors. Thanks to asynchronous validation, Fantom's validators work independently to validate transactions. Unlike many other blockchains, this means that while a majority of validators still need to reach consensus, this can be done asynchronously, meaning it doesn't happen at the same time. Individual validators therefore don't need to wait for specific blocks to be added and finalized before moving on to the next block. This is made possible by DAGs, which stand for Directed Acyclic Graphs. DAGs are nonlinear, network-like data structures in which the connections between objects within them only flow in a single direction that is never repeated. Fantom provides the ecosystem. In speed, Fantom achieves transaction finality in 1 second on average. In scalability, Fantom can process thousands of transactions per second and scale to hundreds of nodes. And in security, Lachesis provides institutional-grade security to the distributed network. Fantom offers absolute finality, which means that transactions can never be reverted like in networks with probabilistic finality. Fantom is also leaderless. By removing leaders, security does not rely on a small set of actors in charge of block production. Smart contract support. Fantom is fully compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine. Developers can create and deploy smart contracts as they would on Ethereum. And users also benefit from this compatibility because it allows them to move around the DeFi world with complete peace of mind. At the time of recording this video, Fantom has a TVL of over $70 million. The Fantom ecosystem is constantly growing. There are currently over 250 active dApps. Sonic is the newest version of Fantom and offers brand new blockchain technology. With a brand new virtual machine, improved database storage, and optimized consensus. Sonic is anticipated to achieve more than 2,000 transactions per second at an average finality of 1 second while consuming a fraction of the storage used by its predecessor, Opera, and additionally an optimized Lachesis consensus mechanism. This upgrade is the latest step in Fantom's mission to improve its underlying platform without resorting to sharding or additional layers. In a nutshell, Sonic is the next Fantom network, with no hard fork required for the upgrade. FTM is the native token of Fantom and used for governing the platform, securing the network, and paying for transaction fees. The S token will be the native token for Sonic. It has multiple roles within the Sonic network: paying for transaction fees, staking to participate in securing the chain, running a validator to secure the chain, and participating in governance. In addition, in the near future after its launch, it will be possible to buy S directly on centralized and decentralized exchanges. At Genesis, a supply of 3,175,000,000 will correspond to the total supply of 3,175,000,000 FTM, which can be converted to S at a 1-to-1 ratio. Currently, you can buy the Fantom token on the main centralized and decentralized exchanges. If you don't have experience using decentralized exchanges, I recommend buying it on the most popular centralized exchanges. You can move this cryptocurrency using the native network, and you can also move it through the Ethereum, BNB, and Solana networks. and you can store it in the native wallet or in wallets such as Ledger, Trust Wallet, Binance Chain Wallet, and Phantom. This is very important. With the upgrade from FTM to S, you will be able to continue storing tokens in these same wallets. The idea of this upgrade is that users did not have any problems. Now let's look at the part that most people are interested in, the price potential. Currently, Phantom has a market cap of $1,088 million, and at the time of recording this video its price is 38 cents, and it is ranked 59th by market cap. If Phantom were to increase its market capitalization and reach the 20th position, its price would multiply 4 times, reaching $1.50. And if it reaches position number 10, its price would multiply 11 times, reaching $4. And in the most bullish market, it could reach the top 5. Its price would multiply 56 times and reaching $21. Well, my friends, that's all for this video. I will continue to pay close attention to the project updates and will keep you informed in upcoming videos. Remember that these videos are for informational purposes only and are not considered investment advice. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos.